Hi everyone, I'm Smiling Rockets. Before today's video begins, I want to ask everyone a question. Have you ever thought about what the future world would look like? When AI is no longer just cold machines, when it can understand your words, read your eyes, and even have natural conversations with you. Today, we will explore together how speech synthesis, speech recognition, image recognition, and other AI technologies integrate to bring unprecedented convenience and fun to our lives. Today, through DF Robot's star products and exciting cases, we will personally reveal the mysteries behind these black technologies. First, let's talk about what multimodal perception is. Simply put, multimodal perception means artificial intelligence systems can understand and process information through multiple sensory channels just like humans. Just like we humans use eyes to see, ears to hear, nose to smell, mouth to taste, and skin to touch, AI can also fuse visual, auditory, tactile, and other multimodal data to understand our world more comprehensively and deeply. This makes AI no longer just single-function tools, but capable of more complex and natural interactions. Next, let's see how AI understands your words. This is speech recognition technology. The principle of speech recognition is simple. It converts sound wave signals we speak into text through complex algorithms. Specifically, sound is converted to frequency, then converted to speech features. Imagine you speak a sentence to your phone. It immediately recognizes and converts it to text. This is the charm of speech recognition. The Gravity offline speech recognition module we're introducing today, its advantage lies in being offline. This means it can complete speech recognition tasks without an internet connection. Not only does this greatly improve response speed, but more importantly, it can well protect your privacy, avoiding risks of data uploading. In smart home, smart toys, and other scenarios, offline speech recognition modules have very broad application prospects. Having AI that can understand speech, we naturally need AI that can speak. This is speech synthesis technology. Speech synthesis, as the name implies, converts text information into natural and fluent speech. Its principle is to decompose text into phonemes, then, through preset speech models and prosody rules, synthesize these factors into continuous speech streams. The Gravity Chinese-English Speech Synthesis Module V2 is this module in my hand. It performs excellently in this aspect. It not only supports bilingual synthesis in Chinese and English, but also provides highly natural speech effects, making AI voice sound more like real people. Besides hearing and speaking, AI should also be able to see the world. This is image recognition technology. The principle of image recognition is relatively more complex. It analyzes pixel data in images, extracts features like color, shape, and texture, then compares with pre-trained models to identify objects, faces, and scenes in images. The Gravity Haskelland's AI vision sensor is one very powerful image recognition module. It has multiple image recognition algorithms built in, such as object recognition, face recognition, color recognition, and label recognition. And operation is very simple. Even beginners can quickly get started, giving your project immediate shock vision. To make these AI functions work together, we actually need a powerful brain. This is the UniHiker My10 Python teaching main control board. The UniHiker M10 is not just a main control board, it's more like an edge computing platform, specially designed for AI. It supports Python programming, has a touch screen, built-in rich sensors, and can easily connect various peripherals. Whether performing complex AI algorithm operations or driving various actuators, the UniHiker M10 Python teaching main control board can provide stable and efficient performance. It is the ideal choice for makers. Of course, for entry-level projects, we can't forget the importance of basic platforms. The Arduino Uno R3 controller provided in the Arduino Starter Kit as a classic open-source hardware platform is simple and easy to learn, has huge community support and abundant resources, and is an excellent starting point for learning electronic making and programming. In many hardware projects, the DF Arduino Uno R3 can serve as the underlying controller, collaborating with more advanced AI modules to complete tasks together. Alright, we've talked enough about theoretical knowledge. Time for something real. Let's make an automatic curtain ourselves. When you wake up in the morning, just say one sentence and the curtain opens automatically.
Hey Panda,
How can I help?
open window blinds.
Okay.
Close window blinds.
Okay, got it.
Open blinds 50%.
Okay, got it.
Sunlight filling the room is very pleasant, isn't it? Its core is the gravity offline speech recognition module we mentioned earlier. It can completely offline recognize your voice commands, such as open curtains or close curtains. This means you don't need an internet connection and don't worry about privacy leakage to achieve precise control of curtains.
Hey Panda,
Yes, I'm here.
open window blinds.
Doing it.
When the module recognizes your instruction, it will send instructions to the main controller through a serial port, or you can choose I2C interface. After the main controller receives the instruction, it will drive the connected motor, thus achieving automatic opening and closing of curtains. The whole process responds quickly with a smooth experience. Through such modification, we can transform a simple manual control into a voice control device. Of course, you can also try controlling curtains with different accents or speech speeds to see how AI responds. This will be a very interesting interactive experience. Next, let's look at the rocket launch clock. Have you used it? Time to make one for yourself.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Fire.
Not only can it remind you of time, but also give you some reminders at critical moments. This talking rocket launch clock mainly relies on the Gravity Chinese English Speech Synthesis Module V2. Through programming, we can convert countdown numbers and preset text into clear and natural voice broadcast in real time. For example, when the countdown reaches 10 seconds, the module can clearly broadcast 10, 9, 8. And when time reaches 0, it can issue voice prompts like mission complete or warning, warning. We can also trigger some sound and light effects. For example, do some content like shown in the video. We can also use LED flashing or buzzer sounds to increase project fun and interactivity. The Gravity Chinese English Speech Synthesis Module V2 supports bilingual synthesis. You can choose different languages for broadcast according to needs, and it also supports import of custom voice files. What does this mean? It means you can record your own voice, use some interesting sound effects, and make your clock more personalized. For example, in some special scenarios like laboratory operations or production line timing, this voice prompt function can greatly improve operation accuracy and safety. We can also let AI broadcast countdown in different tones or add some humorous voice prompts to make learning and work more relaxed and interesting. AI vision sounds high-end, but if a husky can play with AI vision, do you believe it?
It is a water meter. Yes. Use the husky lens to recognize the water meter. You can see here we 3D printed a motor, 3D printed a structure for it to mount it, and we use a Raspberry Pi Pico to control it to learn the number on the water meter. And you can see here is a Raspberry Pi keyboard. Okay, you can see here, and I can manually change the number in the back and see the number on it. Okay, let's get started and explain. the reason that why it is so powerful. And here you can see we first connect the Raspberry Pi 400 and the Raspberry Pi Pico using the USB, and use our DF Robot 4-pin line to connect with the Husky Lens. And this is a full demo that you can see here. When the number changes, the Husky Lens will read it and get the proper result. ID3, ID4, something like this. Okay, and we can use a Pico to read the result from Husky Lens. You can see when I scroll the number bar, Husky Lens will read it and get the right result. Okay, we will use a Raspberry Pi Pico to read the result from Husky Lens, and we will use a Raspberry Pi to program the Pico. Use the micro Python. You can see here I start the Sony and use option to let Sony connect to Husky Lens, to Pico. Yes, right. We have just selected. Okay, and load. Open the file on the Pico. There is a main.python, and this is the library file. And we start the main Python, and what it did is to read from the Husky Lens and show the result into the shell, and we try to run it. Okay, so this is the result. You can see here, if I change the numbers, the result also changes.
Here we use the Gravity, Husky's AI vision sensor. Why say even Huskies can play with AI vision? Because its biggest feature is the one-key learning function. You don't need complex programming knowledge, don't need large amounts of training data. You just need to point Husky Lens at the object you want to recognize, press the learning button, and it can quickly learn and remember this object. For example, you can let it learn to recognize your home water meter reading. Then, through programming, let it automatically read and record data. Or let it learn to recognize your face to implement a face recognition access control system. It can even learn specified colors for intelligent sorting. The Husky Lens AI vision sensor has multiple commonly used AI algorithms built in, including object recognition, face recognition, color recognition, label recognition, line tracking, and object tracking. This greatly simplifies AI vision project development difficulty. It can communicate with the main control through a serial port or I2C, and can transmit recognition results in real time to Arduino, Raspberry Pi, or main controls like UniHiker Mount 10 and UniHiker K10. We can see in the demonstration, it not only displays recognition results on screen, but can also perform simple processing and feedback through microcontrollers like Raspberry Pi, Pico. Its application prospects are very broad, such as smart meter reading, smart classification, face recognition access control, and intelligent inspection, which can greatly improve efficiency and convenience. Next, let's replicate a smart door lock. As a doorbell, not only can it ring, but also talk with you, and even help you decide whether to open the door. Would you think it's cool?
Please state your name and the purpose of your visit.
Hi there, I'm John Davidson. I have an appointment with Mr. Smith.
I'm sorry, Mr. John Davidson, but company policy does not allow entry. Please state your name and the purpose of your visit.
I'm Officer Karadagian.
Welcome. It's a beautiful Wednesday afternoon.
This smart door lock system is a typical case of multimodal AI fusion application. The Unihiker Python teaching main control board plays the core brain role. When visitors press the doorbell, the system will activate a speech recognition module, such as the Gravity offline speech recognition module, to convert the visitor's speech to text. Then the Unihiker Python teaching main control board, as an edge AI computing platform, can combine with cloud AI services like the OpenAI API to perform intent recognition and semantic understanding on the recognized text. For example, it can determine whether a visitor is a courier, a family member, or a stranger. Then, based on those judgment results, the Unihiker can make different decisions. If it's a courier, it can keep the door lock closed or reply through the Gravity Chinese English Speech Synthesis Module V2. Please place the package at the door. If it's a family member, it can automatically open the door and issue a welcome message. And if it's a stranger, it can notify the owner and issue a voice warning. Throughout this whole process, multiple AI functions, including speech recognition, intent recognition, decision-making, and speech synthesis, cooperate closely, achieving an intelligent interactive experience. In the future, we can even add Haskellans for face recognition to further improve the system's intelligence level, determine visitor identity, and achieve higher level security protection. More content can be viewed in the DF Robot community. Through today's exploration, we saw the infinite possibilities of multimodal perception AI. From understanding your instructions to speaking with you, to seeing your world, artificial intelligence is integrating into our lives at an unprecedented speed. It's no longer distant dreams in sci-fi movies, but real magic that changes our daily life. Our DF Robot products, such as the Gravity Offline Speech Recognition Module, the Gravity Chinese English Speech Synthesis Module V2, the Gravity Haskellans AI Vision Sensor, and the Unihiker Python Teaching Main Control Board, are making these cutting-edge technologies accessible. They not only lower AI development barriers, but let every maker, everyone curious about AI, become AI magicians and create their own intelligent devices. In the future, multimodal AI will be more intelligent and personalized. They will not just be tools, but become our most considerate assistants, most interesting partners, even family members who understand us best. Imagine future smart home systems that can automatically adjust lighting and music according to your mood changes. Smart robots can understand your every subtle movement and provide more precise services. In the education field, AI can provide personalized teaching solutions based on students' learning ability, habits, and comprehension. All these depend on the deep integration and development of multimodal perception. AI's future is created by you and me together. Pick up your DF Robot kit and join us. Explore the wonderful world of AI together. Let's light up life with technology and drive the future with innovation. Drive the future. Thanks for watching. See you next time.